Okay guys, so I'm having an issue with my Pioneer RT-707. So I'm having issues with the brake on the left side. You see, this one's working fine, but this one, you see the spool continues going once I stop the tape. You know, it continues. So that means that you see it runs very easily. Meanwhile, this one, you see, you can feel the little resistance. You know, so that means the brake is fine on this one, but this one I need to adjust it. I'm gonna have to remove this plate right here, and then see what's how can I repair it. You know, so this is my first time doing the brakes on this deck, so I'm gonna have to see. I have to get some ideas online too. You know, so let me start by removing the plate. So I can see 1, 2 screws right here, and then that should remove it. We'll see. Let me check. Okay guys, I just found out that I have 3 more screws back down here. See, so 1, 2, and then 3, and then I'm gonna have to remove these. Let me see, where is it? So you see this control right here, the pitch control, and then these 2 I have to remove them too, to remove the plate. Okay, so let me try that now. So I just removed the plate, guys. So you see, you have to play a little bit with these pitch rollers, you know, because you see they're gonna be let me see, they're gonna be like this, you know, so they kind of block the plate from coming out, so you're gonna have to kind of play with them. That's what I did, you know, play with them like that, and then I was able to remove it. Now we're gonna take a look at the brakes right here. This is where the brakes is right for this one. So I want to see how you adjust them. Let me take a look at them first, you know. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this. Look like I had to pull this down a little more. So let me check it out. Yep, it look like that. Let me see if that helps. So you see, guys, I think this is the way it works. So let me see if that works. So you see these 2 little screws right here. I have to pull down this plate. You see this plate? I have to pull it down more, and then put the screw. So this is creates more tension here. You see, once I create more tension here, you see I can feel the brakes. You know, I can feel it's harder to move it. You see, so that's what I want to do right now. Okay, guys. So I was able to fix it up. So that's very simple. I thought it was going to be more complex. You know, so you see now. Look at it. I'm gonna fast forward, and then stop. You see, the brakes are working now. Now rewind. Fine, no problem at all. You see, very simple method to fix it up. You know, I thought it was going to be a little bit more complex than adjusting a screw or something like that. It's just that little how you say, that little metal piece right there, and those 2 screws right there. You see, you just gotta pull down that how you say, golden tap down, and then you're gonna be able to adjust it like that. You know. Okay, good luck. So hopefully you can repair this issue if you have the same issue with your Pioneer RT-707. These things are built like a tank. You see, I did a lot of I have a lot of audio grade capacitors in there, and I have some more WEMAs that I have to repair. You know, I just don't have the time because I have so much equipment. You know, and yeah, but this is built like a tank. This is a very I love the Pioneers reel-to-reels, not only because of their reliability, you know, but also because they sound very good. I'm not gonna say they sound as great as my Tandberg TD20 SE, but they sound very, very good. There's no the Tandberg is very delicate. I mean, it broke down on me twice, you know, and I had to repair it twice. So, and this Pioneers, they never broke on me, you know. Okay, I put the front face back, and I just had a little I just struggled a little bit putting this VU meters back in place, you know, but that was it. Okay, we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna test it before I put back the lead. Make sure you're gonna press brake now. No problem, and then other way. Perfect. Nice. Okay, guys. So I got it functioning correctly again, and I was able to put some deoxide on some of the how you say, on the pots, you know, and then some of these, how you say, switches too, you know. I was able to do a little bit of maintenance since I was here, you know. So, okay, I'm gonna put it back together, and I'll be doing some playing this afternoon, you know, play some music this afternoon.